Hi there, Lou Miller here, financial mentor. I help busy professionals, self-employed businessmen to create a monthly income from investments, but without the need of the second job or business, okay, with only 30 minutes a month. Today, I'm going to show you how we can do that, okay, an overview on my system and how I teach students how to create that stream of income, because there is the most powerful financial instrument ever created that I love it, that allows us to create this stream of income. And let's start from step one. This is a strategy based on a money management. Okay, this is a piece of cake, okay, a piece of an entire cake. So investing, it's something that you do when, first of all, you have a plan. You have all the situation managed, okay, incomes, assets, expenses, debts, all figured out. You have a plan on what you do on your income. You have a plan for savings, a plan for investments. And investment, this is my plan. I share with you my experience, my plan, what I do with my money, okay, and what I teach to my students. So there are, first of all, 4 things. Okay, first, have a plan. It means track our expenses, our incomes, the numbers. You need to be aware what are the numbers and the situation right now. Easy to say, but difficult to realize. I don't know why, but even businessmen or that makes 5 figures a month, they don't know the real financial situation because they don't track the financial situation. So first of all, be aware of the numbers. We work on your financial situation and we create a plan. Creating a plan is the easiest way to be successful because it takes out from you stress. Okay, having a plan don't makes you lose this time, this effort, this focus about something because you have already planned before. Just a file Excel, as lean as possible. The simpler, the better. So file Excel, the numbers. Let's look at the financial situation. Then, when you are aware of the numbers, then you need to create a plan. A plan about what in particular? So, second point, plan about savings. Before investing, we need to have a savings plan. Put money aside every month, every week, okay, to another account that you don't touch this money. Savings account based on the plan. So you know that every week, 15 days, a month, or 3 months, you put aside this kind of money based on the number and the plan made before. Okay. Why savings? Because if something happens, you don't take money from your investments. First, you can take the money from savings account. Okay. I like in this situation to make a little bit 2 different things. The savings that you don't touch. This is the insurance for the future. Okay. So in a separate account with no debit card, no credit card, nothing, okay, just on banking to watch the balance grow every month, okay, you don't touch this, and an emergency fund with a little bit of money, 1,000 euro to start or more, that's it you need for emergency. Car is broken, something unexpected happens, you have some money, so you cannot touch the savings account. So first of all, it's the savings plan. Then when you have the savings plan, you can invest. In investment, my case, this is what I did for my situation. The investment part is divided in two parts. Long-term investments, just my pension plan, okay? So it's buy ETFs for the long run. I don't touch them, and this is my pension plan, or something like this. So you invest to see results after 10, 20 or 30 years. But second part is investment for cash flow. It means that I want to invest this kind of money to take out some every month, okay, month or 3 months, money to use for my lifestyle, for my expenses. This is the big picture, okay, the big plan I did for myself. So first of all, numbers, savings plan, investment plan, divided in long-term investment for appreciation and investment for cash flow. The strategy I teach students, I can teach you, it's one of the investment for cash flow. Because when years ago, when I started to look for strategies or investments for cash flow, I needed to balance, and you need to understand that it's very, very, very important. You need to understand that it's not only the performance, the only thing that matters. Performance is only a part, because you need to be aware not only of the performance, but the time needed to make these investments and the stress related. So I was busy. I worked for a big company. I worked for a big bank, an important European bank, as a manager. So I didn't have time, okay? And work and family, I told myself, okay, I cannot spend so much time with these investments. I need to find a strategy that gives me cash flow with a little time spent and little effort and stress related, because I was stressed for the job, for life, and I didn't want to add other stress. So I studied a lot to create this system, and it was a balance for performance, time span to manage this investment, and stress related. Is this method the most profitable ever? No, absolutely not. But for me, okay, of course, it's higher than investments. You can live in the bank, invest in funds or bonds, for example. Of course, I looked for a greater return, okay, but also not so much time and effort and stress related to this style of investment. So is it the most profitable? No, absolutely. People can earn much more, but as I told you before, performance is only a piece of the cake. You can earn more, yes, of course, but it takes more time and more stress. So this is not trading. Trading is a business or a full-time job. You need to study a lot. You need to be in front of the charts every day 4 hours, and it takes so much time, and it's stressful. It's not for everyone. It's really stressful. Ask yourself, is it something you could do, or you love it? Perfect. Training is for you. So my method, probably it's not for you, because you can make much more money. But if you are a busy professional, freelancer or a businessman, so your day is a busy day because of your work, your job, or your business. And when you come home, you have your family, your children, of course, you spend time with them. of course, this is the most important thing. You have also some hobbies, sport. You see that time is not so much, and the effort, and you don't want stress, I think, because life is busy and it's stressful itself. So this method could be for you. Then I tried in a demo account, so with the Monopoly money, just to test it for some months, and then in real, and then okay, I started to have the results, monthly results. I did it only for myself. Then talking to people, and they ask me what I do. Okay, what do you do for a living? I do this. Interesting, but are you teaching this? No, just only for myself. And they ask me, they started to ask to teach this method. So I started to coach. And this style, I decided to not to create a course, but I really want to help people. The way I found it's better is to create together. So that's why I do a coaching program, a one-to-one, so weekly meetings. We will create together. So it's much more effective, create together, and they start to invest, they start to apply the strategy. So it's something that gives a lot of satisfaction. And that's why I decided to do in this way. Yeah, it would have been probably easier to create a course, to record once, product is finished, and then sell the course. But in this way, I don't know what's going on. So in this way, with one-to-one coaching, I know for sure, okay, because we build together, and it's more, there is more satisfaction, it's more effective, and better results, of course. So we can do that. How we can create a system you can replicate month after month. First, this is the question I ask myself. First of all, we need data. We need to study what happens in the past. There are data we can study, yes, but there are some financial instruments with tons of data, even from 100 years ago. So lots of data, and it's fantastic for that, because my method, I wanted something, study data, to invest with probabilities of profit, to put aside the emotions. It could be greed or fear. So they're very dangerous for investors. So data, statistics, and probability of profit. These were the data I looked for. I studied a lot for months to find a financial instrument where to apply this kind of investments. So I found it, and this financial instrument is the biggest, the most important, the most valuable, the most in the world. So found the financial instrument, okay, to base our investment strategies. Okay, I needed to, at this point, set up the strategy. So based on the data, on the statistics and probability of profit, I created the method. I don't dive so deep in this video, but I just want to let you understand what is the thinking about behind this strategy. So it's impossible to know where the markets will go, but we can predict with a high probability of profit what the market won't do. This is easier. But how? Right now I will share my screen how to create. This is just a basic, but you will know what are the mechanisms behind this strategy. As you can see, I'm not a graphic designer, okay? This is very easy drawing, but just to let you understand. So here we are price and time, okay? This is our financial instrument, okay? You can see up and down, so it's very basic, but just to understand you. So we are here today, November the 29th, and we don't know what the market will do in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Let's pretend this is a 6 months, okay? So it's easier to say, okay, in the next 30 days, let's say from here today to this one is December 31st of December. Okay, so in the last 30 days, this financial instrument could be a stock, could be an index, could be an ETF, won't go below this level. Okay, just to let you understand. We have more than 95%, for example, probability that this financial instrument, index, stock, ETF, won't go below this level. If this is going to happen, so this financial instrument will stay above this line, we will have a profit. With the financial instrument I teach, we can earn today, we collect a premium. So let's say 300 euro, for example. Okay, let's say 300 euro. Okay, collected today, and we will keep. They will be frozen for this month. At the end of the month, at the end of the 30 days, in this case, if this stock, ETF or index is above this line, this price, we will keep our 300 euro and we can take them out. Okay, just a very easy explanation. If you already know, okay, don't worry, it's an easy explanation because it's something that even beginners can learn and can do actually. It's not for expert, because if there are a coach, a mentor, someone who will explain you in a very easy way, you understand, you can do that. After 30 days, this financial instrument is here, 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 or here. We collect the premium in any case. So this is a non-directional approach. It means that we don't earn money based on one direction. If you buy this instrument, a stock, an ETF, you earn only if the price goes up. If the price stays here, just for example, you earn 0. If the price drops, you lose money. With this approach, we have more probability of profit, probability to keep this money. And we don't know, it's not important if the price goes up, stays sideways, or a little bit down. Of course, we don't want that the price has a huge down until this line. Of course, this is the scenario where we lose money. But as you can see, as you can imagine, we have more probabilities of profit in this way. Okay. Just to know, it's possible to do to the other side the same. It's like, for example, if the price for the following 30 days stays below this line, okay, put here just for example. The same, if the price stays below, it doesn't matter if it goes up a little bit, sideways or down. The most important thing is at the end of the period, in this case 30 days for example, if the price stays below this line, we will keep the premium. 300 euro, they are released and we can take out. Okay, so my method teach this kind of strategies. It means why 30 minutes a month? Why monthly income? Because we can do this operation, okay, once a month with expiration date more or less 30 days. That's why it's monthly. And why 30 minutes a month? Because we make one investment every month. Okay, one investment with expiration date more or less 30 days. Okay, so imagine like you have a bond that pays you monthly dividends, okay, but you don't need to buy the bonds. Something like that. This is why monthly, because the expiration date, and monthly 30 minutes a month because we make one investment, one or two, not more. So it takes very 15 minutes, 30 minutes a month. We check sometimes, of course, but it's very fast. We don't do actually nothing else until the expiration date. At the expiration date, we collect the premium and we will create another investment for the following month. The plan, it's not only in the beginning with the numbers, with how much to save, how much to invest, how much to invest for the long run, how much to invest for the cash flow, but it's also what we do with our money we collect every month. Even if you start with a small capital, okay, first of all, we start in the demo account, monopoly money. So you, in a safe way, you start to invest. Okay, you try, you see that collect the money, then you start with the real money. You can start also with 1,000, 2,000 euro. Okay, best scenario is to start with 10, 15K. Okay, but also in your specific situation, we will see. Of course, we will create a plan. 10, 15K, the best. Good also some few thousand euro. Okay, just for the beginning. You can start also with 1,000, 2,000 euro. Of course, the cash flow, it's not so high. It depends on how much you invest. Expectations from 1 to 4% monthly. Okay, why this difference? Because we have rules, but you can be more conservative. Of course, something important, even with a high probability of profit, more than 90, 95%, it doesn't mean that we won't lose in the future. Okay, but because there is a 5-10% probability that we can lose something unexpected in the market. We have a strategy on what to do, even in these cases. That's why a plan is very important, because you know what to do. And but the loss, it's part of the process. You need to accept that. Who says that this is percent guaranteed or X amount guaranteed every month and you cannot lose? It's a scam. It's impossible. It's not like that. Investment means you lose some, you win more, you draw a line at the end, and you have earned more than what you lost, and you have profit. This is the big picture of investment. but the loss is a part of the process. It's not a sprint, it's not a 100-meter race, it's a marathon. It's something you can do for all your life, for years, for decades. I teach you what to do with the amount we earn monthly. We have a plan for that. Plan divided in two parts. Part one, we take out the investments to recover the money we invested. We want our money back as soon as possible, ASAP. Second part, we can reinvest. Of course, everyone will have their specific situation and we will create a plan. You don't have to think. Imagine, you don't have to think every month, okay, I've earned 500 euro. What do? I take out, I reinvest, I take out a part, I invest a part every month. No, you have a plan, you know exactly what to do. So you save time, energy, effort, okay? And you save decision based on your emotions. With a compound interest, we can reinvest and take out later. We will do a plan, of course, take out later a bigger amount of money monthly. So we continue, of course, to take out money. This is the goal, cash flow. So consistency is the key. Respect the rules is the key. It's very important. And having a plan is very important. Stick to the plan. You will save time, energy, stress. And you will feel more relaxed, more calm, because you know, okay, this happened. Okay, I know what to do. Coach told me exactly what to do in every situation possible. Wow. Everything you need to know to do that for the following years, decades, centuries. Okay. So that's why I will explain you, if you want to know more about that, how we can help you in your specific situation. You can book a meeting, a free consultation call, or you can write to my office. That is my personal assistant at the email below, okay, coaching121withlou@gmail.com. So we can fix the free consultation call. We can see what are your goals, how we can help you to reach that, and we'll explain you. We create a plan to achieve your goals and we start working together. Okay, if that is a good fit. Okay, so hope you like this video. So thanks for like, subscribe, share, and see you in the next video.